What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Varsity Overland channel, and today I am at Northeast Off-Road Vehicles here in Portland, Connecticut to install a brand new bed rack on my truck. Now, the reason why I'm installing a brand new bed rack is because something really exciting has happened here on the channel. I have been accepted as a 2024 and 2025 brand ambassador for the company Kuat. It's a little company you might have heard of over the past couple months. Their brand new Ibex bed rack has been featured on numerous Overland Journal podcasts and, of course, the actual Overland Journal as well. And it's a bed rack that can be purchased here at Northeast Off-Road Vehicles. They sent me this bed rack with a whole bunch of accessories for me to test out and share my experiences with you guys, and I'm just thrilled. I'm over the moon about it. This is gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna pull the truck into the garage. We're gonna get this thing started and mount it on the vehicle. So with any good project, there's going to be a hiccup, one or two hiccups along the way. And I ran into my first hiccup with the installation of this bed rack. I did ask for the tonneau kit adapter, which is compatible with Retrax, but I don't have a Retrax. I have a Pace Edwards Ultra Groove. So most of the time, Retrax compatible options work with my tonneau cover. This one, unfortunately, does not. There's a lot of different pieces that aren't quite lining up properly, and I don't want to make any permanent modifications to the bed rack, but I am going to include this in my report to Kuat. Maybe we can develop something that's more compatible with my tonneau cover, but in the meantime, I took the tonneau cover right off. Might be a good opportunity to clean it up and kind of like give it its own maintenance, because as I was picking it up, I could feel just a bunch of sand and dirt and water and stuff inside that main unit. So I can do some maintenance on the tonneau cover in the meantime. But anyway, we're gonna get back on track and continue with the bed rack. So I'm currently still in the process of putting this thing together, but one thing that I did notice, which I'm loving right now, is the fact that all the joints where you'd put in your bolts and your different, hardware, all of them are kind of like hidden. They're all within the panel, so you can actually take a panel away, bolt down what you need to, and then put the panel back on. It's almost like a skeleton on the inside. I think it's really cool, and it's hiding everything, all the extra hardware, so you don't see all your nuts and bolts just exposed all over the place. Pretty rad. So the ease of setup on this product is currently blowing my mind. All I need to do is loosen this bolt, this orange one, specifically colored orange, so that you know which one it is. I loosen that up. This crossbar is going to extend, and then I can make it the distance that I need to go between the two side panels of the bed rack. And once I extend them to the two side panels, all you have to do is insert the T-nut in here, and it will bolt into place. This is so easy, and I'm loving it. So I got the bare bones basically of this bed rack installed right now. I have both of the side panels on, and then I only have one crossbar up top at the moment. And the reason why I'm doing one crossbar, one lower crossbar, is just to help with the strength of it, give it a little bit more rigidity. But now I'm going to add 2 more crossbars with the riser kit. So I got my crossbar risers on, my 2 tall ones, my one little shorty as well to help add some stability. And we are currently unwrapping these beautiful molly panels, and what I realized was this lip right here on the molly panel all the way around means the molly panel actually goes into the T-track that's on the inside instead of the outside. There is no T-track on the outside. Don't know why I didn't realize that before. By placing the molly panel attachment point to the inside means none of your bolts are exposed, just like I said before. Look at that. Seamless, beautiful, superb. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited. So these molly panels, I'm not gonna lie, they give a whole other look to this bed rack. It looks insane. I'm so excited. And currently I'm just talking to the camera while Jeremy does all the work, so thank you very much, Jeremy. Next on the list is a grab handle. I ended up getting 2 grab handles. These go onto the back to help pull yourself up onto your tailgate. So that is the next part of the install, which I'm assuming is going to be super simple. Is it simple, Jeremy?
Very simple.
It's very simple. So here we go with the grab handles.
All right, give it the shake test.
It's on there, I think.
Well, folks, that is a wrap. This thing is incredible. It's really changed the look of the whole truck. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna hop in, I'm gonna pull it around to the front. We'll get a really good look at it. And that'll be it. All right, folks, well, that's gonna be it for this video. I am over the moon right now. This rack looks incredible. It's awesome. I can't wait to actually start mounting things to it, put my tent on top, all that good stuff. So yeah, what do you think of the Ibex from Kuat? Are you interested? If you want to know some more information, check out the Kuat website. I'm going to put that in the link in my description down below. You can also check out Northeast Off-Road Vehicles if you live in New England or the general Northeast area. You can purchase one here as well. I want to give a huge shout out to Kuat for including me into their ambassador program. Head on over to Kuat's website. You can find a little bio about me. I got a little page all to myself. I'm pretty excited about that. It's really unique. It's an awesome experience I'm going through right now. And of course, I want to say thank you to the guys here at Northeast Off-Road Vehicles, and especially Jeremy, AT4 Overland Bound, for helping me put this together this morning and this afternoon. Thanks for sticking around, everyone. I appreciate the view. Stick around, hit subscribe, look for future videos so you can see this bed rack in action. Peace, people.